I am currently at my new house and we've actually moved in for about a week now, I would say. There are still certain things here and there that is not really done up yet, and we're also taking a lot of time to pack because this current house is slightly smaller than the previous one. And just for everyone who is curious, it is not my house, it is my family house, so we are all moving together. And actually I did vlog a little bit before I moved because it was super hectic, so I didn't really get to vlog a lot, which is why I'm trying to do this introduction video first before I hop right into the vlogs that I actually took. I don't think I actually showed my old house to all of you before. I've never done a house tour before, and the only reason why is because our previous house is pretty cluttered. We have been staying there for about 20 years by now, and because I've been staying there for almost 20 years, I feel like it's such a private space and it's very personal, so I don't really want to show the entire place to the public. But yeah, since I was gonna move out, I decided to film some home tour kind of thing before I move out, just for memory's sake. So yeah, like I've mentioned previously, our current house is actually smaller than the previous house because typically in Singapore the older flats are generally bigger than the newer flats, and this flat is actually a new one, a brand new one. But location wise it's a very good place, which is why we decided to move over here. And yeah, I think it's time for us to actually step out of our comfort zone because I've been staying there for like 20 plus years and I think it's really time. I hope it helps me get more motivated at this new place and new surrounding as well. I think it will still take about a month or so to get everything completely settled because I have so many things and it's just so difficult to unpack. And maybe I will do up like an organizational tip video soon because I've been searching high and low on the internet on how to really organize all my things in such small spaces, so I'm really utilizing every single part of the house. So please stay tuned to the house tour. I am very excited to show all of you once everything is done up beautifully. And yeah, I did film a bit of footages here and there, so I'm gonna hop right into the vlog right now. Yeah, and I'll see y'all again soon. For the move, almost done, but it's just super cluttered. Like, can't believe I'm staring at all this stuff and saying that I'm almost done. Hayo, hayo, hayo. Hi, we are still in the midst of moving and this is the result. So almost all the drawers are empty already and the house is obviously overcrowded with things. Alright, so we are pretty much done with clearing the shelves. It's all empty on the inside and the trunks are also empty. And this is all the stuff I'm bringing over. We already brought quite a bit over already and it's pretty much empty. So this is the room that I've been staying for 20 years. This is the grey sofa you always see in my pictures before I actually get an office. More stuff. We actually brought more than half of the things over to the new house already, and it's already pretty much full, so I'm not sure how we are gonna fit all this in. Mom's room looks pretty cleared as well. Used to be my clothes all over here, all my clothes here, and now it's empty, I hope. Yes, it's empty. Alright, tonight's the final night here at our current house and I'm quite proud of myself that I've cleared almost everything. Those are trash, you know, in the drawer. Still all these things that I need and also these things that I need, but we're gonna put it, so I'm gonna store them right in these bags so we can bring it over to the new place. Bobby, are you excited? Bobby's so confused. He's like, what's going on in the house? Okay, today is the very last day of us at this house, so we'll be moving out already. And okay, so I'm very dressed up because it's my friend's wedding solemnization today and I'm going to be a witness. And my nose is stuck because there is too much dust going on. And today's the day, final day, to move over every single thing we have in this house. Excited, but feeling really weird too, because it's empty. I'm moving out. Alright, I'm back from the solemnization and still packing, so the mattresses are off. Shen, how do you feel about leaving?
Yay!
You should be crying a little first. Like, yay! 什么感想? So 2 days back, we already shifted quite a number of things away and we had a van, but today we'll just be driving in our car, which is like an SUV. All these things to the house. So I'm not sure how many trips you'll take. All the rooms are empty. Very empty. Very empty. Okay, we are here! We are here! Puppy! Look at all our stuff! Oh my gosh! Yay! New home!